The sun is shining bright and the weather is beautiful. It's about that time to go to the beach. In this video, we're going to discuss your beach must-haves and add that little personalized touch to it. Stay tuned. Hey everybody, welcome to my channel, Gift Guru. I am Gigi, the Gift Guru. If you are new here, welcome, and if not, welcome back. Now, I am one of those people that love going to the beach. Now, unfortunately, especially since I'm an adult now, there are times where I just work throughout the summer. But I do manage to sneak in a beach trip here or there. Now, there are some essentials that I cannot go to the beach without. So we're going to discuss them and we're going to add that personalized touch to it. So we're going to sit back, relax, and we're about to get on to this. All the gifts, items, and activities that are mentioned in this video are going to be in the description box below. Let's go. Now, everybody knows when you're going to go to the beach or any type of trip away from home, some packing is going to be involved. There are so many little things that need to be taken, and if you leave them, it can feel dire without them. So you can never have enough tote bags with you, especially for each individual person and their needs. And of course, people are going to get thirsty and hungry, and you know those beach prices are expensive. So why not cut the price and bring your own? And I know when I was a little child, I loved looking for seashells and bringing them home, even though my mother didn't like all the sand in her house. With this bag, you can allow your kids to collect the seashells and allow the sand to fall off while they're looking. Nobody likes to carry around a whole bunch of cans and bottles, especially if there is not a trash can out on the beach itself. And if you know me, I am all about being environmentally friendly and not just throwing trash everywhere. So I am definitely all for these cute reusable water bottles for your kids. They can each have their own personalized water bottle so that they're not fighting over which one is theirs. And parents, you can have some fun too with these unbreakable wine glasses. I don't care which beach you go to or how little you have time to plan it out. There's always one important thing that you must bring to the beach, and that is a beach towel. Of course, we don't want to use our good towels to go to the beach, and we might not want to use the other towels neither. So why not have a designated beach towel just for the beach? And with these personalized beach towels, you are not going to regret it. Each towel can have any art, name, and photo that shows the personality of its owner. Now, there are tons of little things that you can get your kids. One thing that they may need is a place to sit down, and sometimes a towel just doesn't cut it. Why not get them a foldable chair that not only you can use for the beach, but even in the backyard or any social outing? That way, they are comfortable. They might also need a little towel, but this one comes with a hood to make sure to keep them warm so they won't get sick. Now, there are so many things that you can do at the beach besides swimming and playing in the sand. How about searching for historical landmarks? A lighthouse, an old abandoned little shed? Those can actually have some meaning. You just got to do your research. If you do have little kids now, why not look for some sea creatures? I bet there are little tide pools that has like starfish and every little thing that you can imagine in it. You just gotta go looking for it. Or what you can do is camp out on the beach, maybe just for a night. The point is just to enjoy the time that you have with your loved ones. Remember, giving a gift is more than just opening up your wallet, it is opening up your heart. Be safe out there, have fun, Gigi out. If you are traveling a little bit further than the beach, I definitely think you should check out these traveling essentials for this pandemic and after. Stay tuned.